In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your audience in Mailchimp. So if you're ready to gain a more organized and customized experience, let's dive in and make this happen. First things first, we'll need to log into Mailchimp. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, look for the login button usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password, and don't forget that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off. Once entered, hit the login button and give it a moment as it processes your entry. Now that we're logged in, we should be on the dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all of Mailchimp's tools. Take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options here, but what we're interested in is the Audience tab. Click on Audience, and you'll be directed to a new page where all your contacts or email subscribers are managed. With the Audience section open, we need to navigate to the settings for more advanced options. Look at the tabs located towards the top or side of this page, depending on your interface. Find the Settings tab and give it a click. This will expand into a drop-down menu offering several choices. Among these options, audience name and defaults should be visible. Select audience name and defaults and we'll be taken to another settings page. Now here's where we get to the main task at hand. Right at the top, you'll see the audience name field. This field contains the current name of your audience. Maybe it's something generic or outdated. Click on it, and you'll notice it becomes editable. This is your chance to input a new name that better fits your current campaign strategy or business branding. When typing, think about keeping it clear and specific so you and your team can identify it easily in the future. Once you're happy with the new name, it's important to save your changes to ensure they take effect. Look for a Save button, typically positioned at the bottom or top right of the page. Click on it and wait a brief moment while Mailchimp processes your request. With that, you've successfully updated your audience name in Mailchimp. This seemingly small adjustment can help you maintain greater control over your email marketing, making it easier to align your campaigns with your goals. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using Mailchimp effectively.